Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Touareg R-Line 3 litre TDI 204 PS that we have on sale. Finished in a deep black pearl, the R-Line looks absolutely stunning with the 20-inch black and silver alloy wheels. This car is a one owner vehicle and is in excellent condition. There's no scratches or marks or scuffs on it. Obviously, with it being the R-Line, you get the electric tailgate, which will electronically open from your key fob and then close automatically as well. Comes with front and rear parking sensors and also the keyless entry system, which will open all the doors. You've got the full leather interior, panoramic sunroof, satellite navigation with heated steering wheel, climate control, Bluetooth, push button start, multifunction steering wheel, and this car has done 7,184 miles. Really nice car. So if you're in the market for a nice looking Touareg and like what you see, then pick the phone up, ask for Phil in sales, and hopefully we can chat further. Many thanks.